Guys, watch out. Get out of your holes.
No.
It's coming for you.
Look, he's
Oh, God.
the little guy over there.
Oh.
Don't come over there, guys. Dude, my guy. What is he doing? He'll see it. Dude. What? Don't go by. Why
Hey,
is
stop.
he
Don't freak out.
Why is he doing that? If I see him get eaten.
He's just taking one for the team. Once the snake is full, he will leave.
He's going to grab his tail.
Oh,
Get his tail.
grab his tail. Grab it.
No, little guy. Hey.
Marissa, let him do what he's doing.
Oh, he is.
He's scaring him away.
What is he doing?
He's protecting his territory.
I think he is.
Oh, he went in. He went in.
Oh, dang.
Call your friends.
Oh god.
Oh, fuck. Do you think he's gonna...
I don't want to. I'm getting in the truck.
That's the snake's hole, don't worry.
It's a snake hole?